And we're back with another episode of the Moldy Green Burrito. Wait a minute, it's a shiny burrito. This week we are at episode 8 at North Cascades National Park. My goodness, this place is incredible. We celebrate 1 year living full-time in the Airstream by attending a Mumford & Sons concert at the Gorge.
The sun just now came out. Beautiful. So we're inside of the trailer, and as you can see, it's very rough. Something pretty rough. We have plants growing, bunch of garbage. Essential part of the burrito is out here always eating.
My name is Rabu Dhabi. This is my beautiful fiance Bibian, and this little one is little Kobe. Welcome to our channel, The Shiny Burrito. This week marks 1 year living in the Airstream full time. We've had a great year. Last July in 2024, we decided to hit the road and we haven't looked back. Here's the highlights. My God! Are you okay?
Like vodka.
7 miles. My family's abusing me. I have all the drinks, all the camera equipment. Look at them. They're so light. They're not carrying anything, and that's how it goes. I have to clean the trailer, take care of everything.
Deviant.
But I'm okay. Don't worry, I'm not being abused.
She's gorgeous.
winner. Right at 7 p.m. when the concert starts, we are making it inside. We're ready.
Wow, the sun is crazy, huh? Really? And what does that mean?
I need French fries.
She needs French fries will make you on board?
French fries.
French fries.
I'm hungry.
She's hungry.
I'm hard.
She's bored and hungry.
Guess what, Robert?
What?
I just went to the bar and I paid for these 2 drinks.
How much?
Yes,
$12.
$50. I want to give a special thanks to one person, Joe Piccini. Thank you so much, because if it wasn't for you for giving us the place to work in the Airstream, for actually giving us the Airstream as it is, and just for all your support, all this beautiful journey that we're living will not be possible without you. Thank you, Joe. Every single calorie that I lost, I'm about to gain in the bar and grill.
Look at this. Beauties.
It's like a magical forest. This is our campground.
Toby's dancing in the background. It's pretty funny. Oh.
And I'll see you on the next one.